Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to use dates as a criteria within a SUMIFS formula. So let's get started. So I have a sample data set here. I have dates and I have amount which I am trying to sum. So let's begin with, let's say I want to know what is the total amount that I have for the month of July. Right, let's get started. I'm going to type in SUMIFS here because I'm going to define multiple conditions and SUMIFS, and then it's asking me for the sum range. I'm going to select the column which I need to be sum, followed by comma, and then it's asking me for the criteria range 1. My criteria here is going to be the date, right? And then I'm going to press comma, and then notice the change over here. I'm going to open quotes, and then I'm going to say greater than equals to. All this is within the quotes, right? And then I'm going to type in the date. This is going to be in the year slash month slash and date. I'm going to close the bracket here after entering the date, and then this is my first criteria, and then I'm going to press comma, and then it's asking me for criteria range 2, and then I'm going to select the column of the dates once again. I'm going to press comma and then repeat the same thing, but this time I'm going to open quotes and say less than equals to within quotes. It's very important. And then I'm going to type in date 2021/07/31. I'm going to close the quotes, close the bracket and press enter. There you have your sum amount, which is 525. So when I check here, it is 525, right? There is another way of doing the SUMIFS. Let's say what we did here is basically we gave a fixed date to this particular formula, but let's say if you wanted to have a variable date, and how you can achieve this, right? Let's say in this cell you have the date 1st July 2021, and then in this cell you have 31 July 2021. All right, so let's change the formula a little. I'm going to type in SUMIFS again. My sum range column B, comma, criteria range 1 is column A, comma, right? This time I'm going to open the quotes, say greater than equals to. I'm going to close the quotes here, and then I'm going to type in and I'm going to select the cell over here, and then I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. I'm sorry, I think I missed out another criteria. Say the second criteria was for 31st July. I'm going to say comma, select the dates column. Criteria is going to be open quotes less than equals to, close quote over here, ampersand, and select the end date. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you get the amount here, same as what we did in this particular formula. Now the difference is that the moment you make a change to this date cell over here, let's say I want the date till August 30th, right? The formula, the result of the formula changes, whereas here it is constant. Let's say you just want till August 15th, right? And then you see this has now become a variable formula where it keeps changing. I hope you've learned something new. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video, and do comment down if you need any help with any other tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.